Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to schedule a group video call on Telegram. So to schedule a group video call, here's a simple step-by-step on how to get it done. So the first thing to do is to open the Telegram app on your phone. Then you have to go to a particular group where you want to simply create a group video call schedule. So right now I'm just going to tap on this particular group which is created by me. I'll tap on the group profile name. Then for me to be able to create a group call schedule or a video call schedule in this group, I just have to tap on the video chat, tap on it. Then on the other option, which is the schedule video chat, tap on it. Then from here you can schedule a group video chat for future call and a quickly video call chat reminder for people that are in the group. So you can just simply set it up like this. Then you can also customize the settings depending on how you want it. You understand? So that's it. You can customize the time and the date, and if you want it in PM or AM. And also most times like that, before you can start with this, you have to make sure that a member of a group will be notified that the video chat will start in a week time only when you set up the schedule video call chat. So once it is being scheduled, then just tap on start on. So pass a specific date that you select on the chat, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.